Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the Williams Sonoma basket. I took the inspiration from this because I break it all the time. We keep it on the countertop and it's granite. And I couldn't help but think with my new 3D printer I'd figure out a way to simply make it. And it's got a very limited number of steps. So hopefully you'll enjoy this and just follow along. So first thing I do is I looked at the base and it looks like it's a collection of toruses. So we set the major radii at 80 and the minor radius, and the minor radius describes the distance around each of these chords, and it's 8 millimeters. So let's just set it for 8. I'm sorry, set the radius for 4, and because the diameter is 8 as we measured it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one and copy and paste it, and raise it up by just 7 millimeters, and it'll be a bit of an overlap between each of these. And then we'll do that again, cut, copy, paste, and raise that up to 15 millimeters. Okay, so now we have a nice stable base, and we're going to tilt this a little bit and so we can kind of see the inside of it. I want to draw a circle in here that's also 40, and the reason will be pretty evident here in just a second. So we'll draw a circle. This will allow us to do a couple of things, one of which is we'll use it to do this first extrusion. So what we're going to do is extrude the circle out to kind of seal up the base area, and we'll select that to 21 millimeters, and we'll go over here and merge it all. So hopefully that's all merged up, and then we'll take that original circle and we're going to move it. We're going to raise it up to the top of this, and don't need to actually raise it too far, but we're going to raise it there so that we can grab onto it and use it to draw the next portion of it. So then we're going to draw another toroid, and this, or torus, and this is where things get interesting. So what we're going to do is put this torus on the edge, and we're going to make it a little bit bigger or smaller. So we're going to make it not that big. We're going to make it about 30 to give this some diameter. Okay, and once again we're going to make the minor radius 4 to kind of match the rest of it. So we're going to return that and put it on the edge there. And we're going to twist this around and get a good look at what that looks like. And we're going to raise it. So first thing we're going to do is move it up, and we're going to move it so that we can get it there. And then we're going to get it at a bit of an angle in this direction, because we want this fruit basket to angle out. You're kind of limited here in what you can do because you don't want to go outside the limitations of your printer. So we'll set this for nice, safe 30 degrees. Okay, so let's angle 1. So the second angle we'll do is, because you'll see it here in just a bit, we're going to want to move it out to the edge because you want this to kind of come in and out of this vase in a way that they overlap. And now since we put it at the angle already, it's kind of got that. Okay, so what we're going to do next is, so we got that angled right, we got it going in and out of the vase, and we're going to do a pattern. We're just going to sequence this one torus out a number of times using a pattern, a circular pattern. So we'll select this as the solid. We're going to select the axis is that circle we brought up beforehand. It brings up 3. And to make them overlap, we're going to bring this up to a bigger number. And we'll call that bigger number 18. Click it to return. And now you've got a woven fruit basket. Delete this circle in the middle. And I'm going to combine everything, and then you're done. So there you have it, a woven fruit basket, sort of like Williams and Sonoma, and I'll include this on Thingiverse and show you how it got made. Thank you for showing.